Hey folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's live trading action video. My name is Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist here. Today's date is Monday, February 22nd, 2016. Well, folks, I want to show you the oil chart here. I think this is a very, very important chart to look at because there's a key signal that tells me oil is going much, much higher. This is the intraday 10-minute chart. This is just today's actions. You can see oil's up about 5% on the USO today. Spot crude is trading, get this guys, the April contract is trading at over $33.50 per barrel. So again, just think about a week, 2 weeks ago, we were at 26. I mean, this is a huge move, but I'm telling you right now, based on the charts, it is going higher. And quite a bit higher, too. We have projections that show really another, I would say there's another 15% upside on oil minimum. And the big thing is when you zoom out on the chart, this is what I want you guys to focus in on. There is a inverse head and shoulders, which is a very bullish pattern. And this pattern is breaking to the upside. It is literally in the process of breaking if it hasn't already. You can clearly see it right here. Shoulder, head, shoulder. So again, shoulder, head, shoulder, and it's inverse. Inverse head and shoulders are bullish patterns. And the point is, what I want you to do is basically connect this pivot high all the way down and look at where we are currently trading, guys. So basically, you're above the level. You're just consolidating because it's a big move today. You're just chopping along here. But what this tells me is that as long as this stays above this trend line, okay, as long as this stays above the trend line, it is going to go dramatically, dramatically higher. And that's what we expect. So I expect the USO to at least revisit this $9.80 to $10 level up here. Potentially, get this, potentially this week. So, I mean, you could be looking at another 10% upside on oil this week alone based on this chart. Okay, but again, this is just a classic inverse head and shoulders pattern, folks. And these are type of things you want to pay attention to because there's a lot of money here, not just in oil, but I mean, there's a lot of oil stocks that you could potentially be buyers of. You know, if we flip over to like MRO, Marathon Oil. I mean, Marathon Oil having a good day today, up 9%, monstrous day. But look at the daily chart. I mean, this thing has been pounded. Look at this. Look at that move down. So you're telling me if oil goes back to $38, $40, this isn't at least going to go up to the $10 level? I mean, look at the percentage that would be from $7.35 to $10. Incredible. Absolutely incredible. Okay? Other stocks, I mean, you have Chesapeake. Chesapeake's a little risky, but look at this. Up 15, 16% today. SDRL's another big one, guys. This one's up 5 and change. I mean, this is a piece of crap, frankly, but if oil bounces to 40, you can better believe this is probably back to $2.50. You can look at RIG, R-I-G, up 6% today. I mean, another stock. I mean, so many of them. All right, the key is probably go with generally the better breeded ones, like the ones that aren't like, you know, the SDRL is a little risky there, so is Chesapeake. Better to focus on some of the bigger ones. SWN is one of my favorites, although it deals with a lot of natural gas, but either way, you know, this could be a very nice one if natural gas starts catching a bit off of oil, which I expect it to do. All right, guys, so bottom line is this is what it's all about. Oil inverse head and shoulders, target of around $10 on the USO. A beautiful move on the horizon. And as always, I don't ask you to just believe me from what I say, but I ask you to look at our verified track record on InTheMoneyStocks.com. Here's InTheMoneyStocks.com. Just go right here, Investor Trade Alerts Research Center. That's where we give our swing trade alerts. And if we move it over here, I got to log out first. That would be helpful. But if we go back to that Research Center tab, click on it when you're logged out, which all of you guys would be unless you have an account with us. You can see 7-day free trial, and everything here is included. And here's your track record button. You just click on that. And it's the track record for this year so far, 2016, right there. All right, you can go back as many years as you want and see all the trades we've taken. All right, look at the net gain so far this year. All right, now again, that would be putting all your money in one position. You never do that, right? You wouldn't be able to put all your money in every single position. I think that'd be crazy to do that anyways. But let's just say putting 10% of your account in each position, you would already be up almost 17% on the year. All right, most hedge funds last year got clobbered. We did 1,000%, which would be about 100% return. All right, and there's no hedge funds even doing close to 100% net return a year. And here in the money stocks, just putting 10% of your portfolio in each position, you would have done that last year, and you're already on pace to beat that this year. So anyways, folks, bottom line is just go right here, Investor Trade Alerts, Research Center, and take the 7-day free trial. See what it's all about. Watch our daily videos, market report videos, Hot Charts, which is where we give our trade alerts, and then live broadcast, the No Hype Live broadcast. It is here for the investors to take advantage of and make some money. Take care.